Deep cleaning on gaming desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Rinrin, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Taking your desktop PC to a professional shop for a full cleaning is a highly effective way to maintain its performance and safeguard its longevity. Over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the case, blocking airflow and clogging components like fans, heat sinks, and power supplies as build up can cause overheating, which leads to reduced system efficiency, noisier operation, and even hardware damage. Professional technicians are equipped with the tools and expertise to thoroughly clean every part of your PC, including delicate components, without risking damage. They can properly clean the motherboard, cooling fans, power supply, and other internal elements that are difficult to reach. A full cleaning not only improves cooling efficiency, preventing overheating and thermal throttling, but also reduces the strain on internal components, allowing your system to run more smoothly and quietly. This proactive maintenance helps prevent future hardware failures, prolongs the life of key parts, and ensures that your desktop operates at peak performance. Bringing your PC to a professional shop also minimizes the risk of static damage or improper handling, ensuring the job is done correctly. In the long run, this preventive care saves you money by reducing the need for repairs or replacements, making it a smart, cost-effective solution for maintaining your desktop PC. However, PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Full cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your full cleaning desktop too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.